Did you know that YouTube Shorts gets 3.5 billion views every day? Many people would rather learn about something new or improve their skills by watching videos than by reading text. I am one of them. Hi, my name is Yukiko Sato. Because I hear things like, I don't know how to grow my views, or I don't know anyone to teach me, I am launching free YouTube Shorts Story Video Making Challenge tutorial class in September. The YouTube Shorts story video making process helps you to get organized your story or a message to deliver to many targeted audiences. There are a lot of benefits you can get by creating a story video. So, would you like to join me? Please visit easystoryvideo.com and share your feedback with me. I will provide a lot of tips and tricks that you'd like to know. See you soon!